Hey guys, Hackers, me here, and today I'm bringing you a Visual Basics tutorial. This tutorial assumes that you have a tiny bit of programming knowledge, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a login application. Right, so what you want to do is you want to create a new project. Let's call this login app application tutorial. Yeah, I'm calling mine tutorial at the end because I've already got a login application project saved onto my hard drive. So yeah. Right, okay, so when you start your new application, you'll get this form. You can create your login form from scratch. I just drag your labels, buttons, and text boxes on. But I'm going to cheat a bit, and I'm going to add an existing item. Actually, add a new item. And I'm just going to scroll down to the login form here, and I'll call this main.vb because it's going to be the one that loads up when your application loads up. So then what you want to do is you want to right click your application tutorial or whatever you've named your project, go down to properties, and you want to change your startup to main. Yeah, if this loads, why ain't it loading? Right, sorry about that, my computer decided to have a dicky fit. So go to properties or press Alt and enter, and this little thing will come up and it'll say here startup form. Just click the arrow and click on main or whatever you've called your login form. Just click main, then that should be set. If you control S, it will save this as you start up, and when you press the green arrow, your login form will be the first thing that pops up. Come on. Right, so cross that off. Right. So main. So if you just press F5, you go into the code mode, and you'll see that it has comments and okay, F5 starts debug mode, not code. Never mind. No, stop. If you just right click your main.vb and go to view code. Oh, it's F7, not F5. Sorry about that. So you click F7. As you can see, you have all this. Just delete this. Delete this for the OK button because you don't want it to close your application. You do for the cancel, so keep that. Come on. Why is my computer being so slow? Right, okay. So to create the login form, what we're going to use is something called dictionaries, and a dictionary allows you to keep two variables, a value and a key. So in our case, the key will be the username and the value will be the password. So what you want to do is do dim, or you can set it as public, and you can declare it. So public accounts as new dictionary. Come on. Why have you crashed? Seriously? Why? Yeah. You have to make sure it's a new dictionary, otherwise when you go to add it when the form loads, it won't add them properly and it'll give you errors and you won't be able to log in. Right, so yeah, as new, and then it says dictionary of T key and T value. So you want it as string, and you want the value to be a string as well, not sting. String. Press enter. Now you want to double click your form, and this will allow you to add usernames when it has loaded. So on the main load you want to put accounts. God, why is it being so slow? I'm sorry about this, guys. I don't know why my computer's been extremely freaking slow. Right, sorry about that. So you want to do accounts.add, then open bracket, and you want to put your username. So let's call it admin, and their password. I'll put password 123. You can add multiple ones by doing the exact same. I'm going to add one for the demonstrating the password with the username, so we'll call this username, and the password will be password. Right. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, because this is a tutorial and I'm going to show you that the password goes with the username, I'm going to turn the password box into a normal text form so you can actually see the password. So I'm just going to go in design, click this, where is it, system password, isn't it? Yeah, this, false. One sec. There. Okay, so just take that out and it'll make it normal. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to make it check that the username and the password is correct when the OK button is pressed. Right, so to do this, go into your code, go to OK, and you want to type if accounts dot contains key, so that's the username, and then you want to put the username textbox dot text, then right, otherwise send a message box to tell them that the username is incorrect. Username is wrong. Right, so if the account contains the username, then you want to dim a temp password, so temp password or whatever, as a string, and make it equal accounts dot item, and then you want to put in the username textbox dot text. So this will get the value of the text box, which is the password. Then you want to type in if temp password is equal to the password textbox dot text, then you want it to complete this code. Yeah. Else we create a message box to tell them that the password is incorrect. So if it's correct, then you'd put your code here, so it'd be like show form 1 or whatever, and then you'd close the main, so it'd be like need or close or whatever. And I'll just make the form 1 sure. Right, so if the password is correct and the username is correct, then show the form 1. Otherwise, tell the user where or what is incorrect. So I'm just going to scroll that down so I know what the passwords are for each one. So to debug it, press F5 or click this green button here. And apparently I've got... where's it going? Yeah. Oh. So that. form1.show, not sub. So let's debug again. Where's the application? Right. Okay. So if we type in a username, so let's say admin, but we type in, no, actually, let's start with the username. So if we type in a wrong username, so let's say blah 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 blah, and click OK. It says username is wrong. Okay, so we type in the correct username, but we type in the wrong password. So let's say password incorrect. It will say password is incorrect. Or if we just typed in whatever, it would say password is incorrect because the username password is password123. So if we type in password 123, then click OK, it shows form1. But if we type in password for the username, it says it's incorrect. So yeah, this has been a video on how to create a login form on Visual Basic. I hope this video has helped you. Yeah, dictionaries, extremely useful. I will see you next time. Bye.
It's not the answer to the words that I have kept inside, just the direction that I've chosen. Under the water I go, beneath the surface time slow. It's not the answer to the words that I have kept inside, just the direction that I've chosen.